Lamborghini Revuelto 205. A revolutionary sports car, Lamborghini has long been a symbol of extreme performance, cutting-edge design, and thrilling driving experiences. The Lamborghini Revuelto 205 continues this legacy by pushing the boundaries of hybrid technology while staying true to the brand's DNA. As Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid V12 supercar, the Revuelto offers an exciting blend of raw power, electrification, and aerodynamic excellence. Design and aerodynamics. The Lamborghini Revuelto maintains the brand's signature, aggressive styling while incorporating futuristic elements. Inspired by fighter jets, the car features a sharply sculpted body, Y-shaped LED headlights, and an active aerodynamic system that enhances downforce and stability. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis makes the car lighter and stiffer, improving both performance and handling. At the rear, the centrally mounted exhausts and a large adjustable wing add to the supercar's aggressive look and aerodynamic efficiency. Lamborghini has also optimized the airflow system to enhance cooling and downforce, ensuring maximum performance at high speeds. Performance and hybrid powertrain. The Revuelto is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, paired with 3 electric motors. This hybrid system delivers a combined 1,001 horsepower, 1,015 PS, making it the most powerful Lamborghini production car to date. The powertrain allows for all-wheel drive, with 2 electric motors powering the front wheels and a third motor assisting the V12 at the rear. Thanks to this advanced setup, the Revuelto achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per hour. Despite its electrification, Lamborghini has ensured that the car retains its thrilling engine sound and driving experience. Electrification and sustainability. Lamborghini's decision to introduce hybrid technology is part of its strategy to reduce emissions while maintaining high performance. The Revuelto's lithium-ion battery allows for short-distance electric-only driving, making it more efficient in urban environments. Additionally, the regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery while driving, enhancing overall efficiency. Interior and technology. Inside the Revuelto, Lamborghini has combined luxury with cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 8.4-inch central touchscreen, and an additional 9.1-inch display for the passenger. The new infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance features. The fighter jet-inspired steering wheel houses multiple driving mode selectors, allowing the driver to switch between different performance settings, including Cheetah Electric Mode, Strada, Sport, and Corsa Race Mode.
The Toyota Hilux, a popular choice in Pakistan. The Toyota Hilux is one of the most popular and reliable pickup trucks in Pakistan. Known for its durability, powerful performance, and off-road capabilities, it is widely used by businesses, government agencies, and individuals across the country. Reasons for popularity. 1. Rugged durability. The Hilux is famous for its strong build quality, making it ideal for Pakistan's rough terrains. From the mountainous regions of the north to the deserts of Sindh and Balochistan, it can withstand tough road conditions, which is why it is a preferred choice for off-road adventures and commercial use. 2. Powerful performance. Equipped with powerful diesel and petrol engines, the Hilux delivers high torque, making it suitable for carrying heavy loads. This makes it a favorite among transporters, farmers, and construction businesses. 3. Security and official use. In Pakistan, law enforcement agencies and government officials frequently use the Toyota Hilux, especially the Revo and Vigo models. Its strong presence in security forces adds to its reputation for reliability and strength. 4. Status symbol. In urban areas, particularly in cities like Lahore, Karachi, and Islamabad, the Toyota Hilux, especially the Revo variant, is considered a luxury vehicle. Many business owners and young enthusiasts purchase it as a status symbol, customizing it with stylish accessories. 5. Resale value and maintenance. Toyota vehicles generally have high resale value in Pakistan, and the Hilux is no exception. Its spare parts are widely available, and Toyota service centers are spread across the country, making maintenance convenient. The Toyota Hilux is more than just a pickup truck in Pakistan. It is a symbol of power, reliability, and prestige. Whether for commercial use, security purposes, or personal luxury, the Hilux continues to dominate the market, proving why it is one of the most sought-after vehicles in the country.